kitchen, nice and comfy, nice and warm. So I just added the little instant dashi powder, just to make it easy. Everyone is hungry, so this is a miso. Just this Gujo miso is easy to dissolve into boiling water, little by little. So the dumpling is cooked, so they come up to the surface. It's done. Soba dumpling is done. Oh, ow, ouch! Cold from the womb. It's, oh. 味見皿をいいよいいよ大丈夫大丈夫これ軽い a little sake cup to taste the broth. Need a little bit more. So tasty the miso. これもうちょっと so little by little put it in. So the instant powder is fish based, bonito based, the powder. So this little one, yes, little one, like that. So if you're in a hurry, you know, but go home before dusk, before dark. Because Chris has to teach English, like in Seki. So, as I said, for the proper way to cook, to make the broth, please watch my other video, duck hot pot cooking. Okay, I just touched the bowl. Let's cook it all. Just put it all in. Daikon first. I think it's good. High, on high. Then gobo. A bit of tear. Bite size, then bite size. You just put the green leaves a little later because the cooking time is short. So just wait for it to boil again, and then put the just waiting for the broth to boil again. Then I'll put the meat in, and then dining table, and we wait.